Today's video is about rehab after undergoing a meniscus repair surgery. Hi, Dr. Brian McGee, physical therapist with Rexercise. Today's video is part of a series on rehab after meniscus repair surgery. And specifically what I'll go over is how we might progress patients who are about 6 weeks post-op. So for that first 4 to 6 weeks after surgery, depending on type of repair, we really have to restrict range of motion, weight bearing, and strengthening to protect that repaired cartilage. Once we get to 6 weeks, enough healing has occurred where we can generally, again depending on type of repair, progress to full range of motion, full weight bearing, and do a lot more strengthening. And that's what today's video is about. Our first exercise is a squat. So again, as I mentioned in the intro, somewhere around that 6-week post-op range after a meniscus repair surgery, we can progress weight bearing. And in most patients, depending on type of tear, we might be at full weight bearing. On the late end, somewhere around 9 weeks post-op, we'll get to full weight bearing. So let's assume you're at full weight bearing or at least 50% weight bearing. We're gonna do some squats. I like to use the strap between the knees. This helps engage some of the hip muscles. The other thing with squats at this stage, we have to restrict squat depth. No more than about a 40-45 degree bend at the knee. So that looks about like this. So you'll want to work up to 20, 25, even 30 reps of this exercise because at this stage our focus really is on endurance. Our next exercise is a calf raise. Real simple, up and down with the heels on a flat surface. You might want a balance assist, although you don't have to have that. Now again, as you're working with your physical therapist, your surgeon on what your weight bearing restrictions might be. If you're 50%, you're on both feet. If you're more than that, if you're at 100% weight bearing, you can go to one leg. And again, our focus in this stage is on endurance, so you'll want to work up to 20-25 repetitions of this exercise. So let's again assume that you've worked up to full weight bearing. Your providers, your therapist, your surgeon has cleared you for full weight bearing. We want to start to work on balance. So again, simply balance on the hurt side. You might want a balance assist. You might want the countertop. I often instruct my patients who get to full weight bearing to simply balance while they're brushing their teeth. Now, one thing we don't want yet is a lot of twisting at the knee. So various movements that might cause you to twist at the knee, we want to avoid now. Just straight on balance for now. And you'll want to work up to 30 seconds to a minute with this exercise. Somewhere around 6 weeks post-op, we want to start working on getting our bending back. So again, depending on type of repair, we have to restrict bending to different degrees. But again, somewhere around 6 weeks, that restriction goes away, and work with your provider on whether that's the case for you or not. But let's assume we can start working on full bending. And the knee's probably stiff now because we haven't bent the knee fully for now a month and a half approximately. So belt around the ankle, simply pull the heel towards the butt until you feel a stretch, some pull in the knee. Hold it there about 15 seconds. Then take the stretch away, straighten the knee a little bit, give it a break for a second or 2 or 3, and repeat. And you'll want to do about 5 to 10 of these. Something else that we can start working more aggressively on in this, again, 6 to 10 week post-op phase after meniscus repair surgery is core strength. One of my favorite exercises for this is a side plank. So feet kind of staggered one in front of the other, hips straight, up onto the forearm of one hand, hold for about 10 to 15 seconds, and do 3 to 5 repetitions per side. Again, working on core strength, we're going to do some front planks. So again, on the forearms, on the toes, lift everything else up, hold for about 15-20 seconds, 3 to 5 reps. Those are the home exercises I usually give to my patients who are in this 6 to 10 week post-op interval after meniscus repair surgery. And again, what we're doing is we're progressing to full weight bearing, we're progressing to full range of motion. We still have to restrict squatting depth, again, to protect that repair, but otherwise we can really do a lot more during this phase of rehab. I hope you found this video helpful. I hope it helps you get back to what you love to do. Again, like, subscribe, share this video with a friend, and we'll see you next time.